Ever wondered why sustainable seafood matters? Why should we care about the fish we eat and where it comes from? You see, our oceans are more than just a vast expanse of blue. They're teeming with life, a complex web of organisms from the tiniest plankton to the largest whale. Each plays a vital role in maintaining the overall health of our marine ecosystems. But here's the rub. Our appetite for seafood is causing some serious problems for these ecosystems. Overfishing, for instance, is a major issue. Picture this: fleets of vessels armed with sophisticated technology scouring the oceans day and night, hauling in fish by the ton. It's like a relentless, never-ending hunt that's depleting fish stocks at an alarming rate. Some species are now so overfished they're on the brink of extinction. Then there's habitat destruction. Bottom trawling, for example, is a fishing method that involves dragging a net along the seafloor. It's incredibly destructive, akin to clear-cutting a forest. Coral reefs, seagrass meadows, and other critical habitats are being obliterated, leaving behind barren underwater wastelands. Another concern is bycatch. That's when non-target species get caught up in fishing gear. Turtles, dolphins, seabirds, sharks, countless innocent lives are lost in the pursuit of our seafood. And let's not forget, these issues aren't just bad for marine life, they're bad for us too. After all, healthy oceans play a crucial role in regulating our climate, producing oxygen, and providing food and livelihoods for millions of people. So it's clear that choosing sustainable seafood is crucial for our oceans. But how do we know what's sustainable and what's not? The answer lies in environmentally friendly seafood certification programs, but that's a topic for our next scene. We'll be diving into how these programs work and how they can help guide our seafood choices. Until then, keep pondering the depths of the blue, because our choices can ripple across the sea, shaping the future of our oceans and ultimately our planet. Enter the world of seafood certification programs, but what exactly are these programs? Well, let's embark on this journey together, shall we? Seafood certification programs are, in essence, the guardians of our oceans. They are initiatives designed to ensure that the seafood we enjoy is sourced in a way that respects the delicate balance of our marine ecosystems. Their role is to set rigorous standards for seafood harvesting and farming practices, ensuring they are sustainable and environmentally friendly. Imagine a world where we could devour our favorite dishes, knowing that our appetite doesn't contribute to the depletion of our ocean's resources. That's the vision these programs strive to make a reality. They aim to create a seafood market that doesn't rob future generations of the opportunity to enjoy the same diversity of marine life that we do today. Now, how do they achieve this? Well, it's a little like a school for seafood suppliers. The programs set the curriculum, the sustainability standards, and the seafood suppliers are the students who need to meet these standards to pass. They learn to fish or farm in ways that minimize their impact on the environment, ensuring the longevity of marine species and habitats. But it's not just about setting standards. These programs also monitor compliance. They have stringent auditing processes to ensure that those wearing their badge of certification are indeed walking the talk. It's a seal of approval, a sign that the seafood comes from a source that respects the planet. And this is where you, the consumer, come into play. By opting for certified seafood, you're casting a vote for sustainable practices. You're saying, I care about the health of our oceans, and I choose to support those who do too. Seafood certification programs are more than just a stamp on a package. They are a beacon of hope for our oceans, a testament to our ability to consume responsibly, and a catalyst for change in the seafood industry. Now that we know what seafood certification programs are, let's dive deeper into two of the most recognized programs worldwide. The first certification program we're going to explore is the Marine Stewardship Council, or MSC. Let's dive into this fascinating world where sustainability meets the vast ocean. Founded in the late 90s, the MSC has a clear and noble mission: to end overfishing and ensure future generations can still enjoy seafood. To achieve this, MSC sets robust standards for sustainable fishing. But what exactly does this mean? Well, sustainable fishing is all about striking a delicate balance. It's about catching enough fish to meet today's needs, without compromising the ability of future generations to meet theirs. It's about respecting habitats and ensuring the longevity of marine ecosystems. The MSC takes this mission seriously and has developed a rigorous assessment process to ensure fisheries meet their high standards. This process is not a walk in the park. It involves comprehensive scientific analysis, stakeholder consultation, and meticulous documentation. Only after a fishery has proven to meet the MSC's three core principles, sustainable fish stocks, minimizing environmental impact, and effective fisheries management, can it be MSC certified. A key feature of the MSC is its recognizable blue eco-label. This label is the consumer's assurance that the seafood they are purchasing comes from a fishery that has been certified to the MSC's stringent environmental standards. It's a beacon of trust in a sea of choices, guiding consumers towards sustainable options. The MSC's influence extends beyond the seafood industry. It also plays a crucial role in encouraging businesses, governments, and other stakeholders to adopt sustainable practices. Their work has led to significant positive changes in the way our oceans are fished, ensuring they continue to teem with life for generations to come. In essence, the MSC is not just a certification program, but a global effort to protect our oceans and the myriad of life they support. Their blue label is more than just a sticker on a seafood package. It's a symbol of a commitment to a sustainable future. The MSC is undoubtedly a major player in the sustainable seafood movement. Now let's move on to another equally important certification program. The second certification program on our list is the Aquaculture Stewardship Council, or ASC. Delving into the world of aquaculture, the ASC is a beacon of sustainable practices. The council was established with a mission to transform aquaculture towards environmental sustainability and social responsibility. In simpler terms, they're all about making sure our seafood is reared in a way that is kind to both our planet and its people. The ASC sets global standards for responsible aquaculture. These standards are not just aimed at preserving the environment, but they also consider the social and economic aspects of the industry. From the welfare of the workers to the health of the local communities, every aspect is meticulously scrutinized to ensure a holistic approach towards sustainability. These standards, however, are not set in stone. They evolve with scientific understanding and technological advancements. This ensures that the ASC remains at the forefront of sustainable practices, always striving for a better, more responsible future. But how does the ASC ensure these standards are met? Well, it's through a process of certification. Aquaculture operations that meet the ASC standards are awarded a certificate, a kind of seal of approval. This certificate is not just a one-time award. It requires constant vigilance and regular audits to ensure the practices remain sustainable. The ASC's focus extends beyond just the environment. It places a significant emphasis on minimizing the social impacts of aquaculture. This includes ensuring fair working conditions, respecting local and indigenous rights, and contributing positively to the local economy. Moreover, the ASC also plays a crucial role in educating the industry and consumers about responsible aquaculture. Through their various initiatives, they promote transparency and traceability, making it easier for everyone to make informed choices. So what makes the ASC stand out? It's their comprehensive approach towards sustainability. They understand that true sustainability is not just about preserving the environment, but also about ensuring social justice and economic viability. Both the MSC and the ASC play vital roles in promoting sustainable seafood. But what does this mean for us as consumers? As consumers, we have a significant part to play in supporting sustainable seafood. We are the final link in the chain of seafood production and consumption, so our choices can have a profound impact. By opting for seafood products that carry the Marine Stewardship Council or Aquaculture Stewardship Council labels, we are not merely buying food. We are casting a vote for the kind of world we want to live in, a world where our oceans are teeming with life and our seafood industries are sustainable. These labels are not mere decorations on packaging, they're a promise, a guarantee that the seafood products you're purchasing were harvested or farmed in a manner that meets rigorous environmental standards. The MSC and ASC labels are symbols of a commitment to sustainability that reaches from the fishing vessel or fish farm right to your dinner plate. But why is consumer choice so pivotal? Because markets respond to demand. When we, as consumers, consistently choose MSC or ASC certified products, we send a clear signal to seafood producers and retailers. We value sustainable seafood and are willing to support it. This can stimulate change throughout the entire seafood supply chain, encouraging more producers to adopt sustainable practices and more retailers to stock sustainable products. However, it's not just about what we buy. It's also about staying informed and spreading the word. The more we know about the issues facing our oceans and the importance of sustainable seafood, the more effectively we can act. By educating ourselves and talking to others about sustainable seafood, we can help raise awareness and increase demand for certified products. Take a moment to think about the power you hold the next time you're standing in the seafood aisle or ordering from a menu. Your choice can contribute to healthier oceans, more sustainable seafood industries, and a brighter future for our planet. Remember, every time you choose certified sustainable seafood, you're making a difference for our oceans. So, make the choice that counts.